Physical accounting is where we capture and report data relating to physical items. Consider the water inflows and outflows for the City of Perth. In one diagram, we are able to describe the sources of water, such as surface water or from a desalination plant, as well as the volume of water. Water losses due to leaking pipes and other causes are highlighted, and the amount of water consumed is then shown. Just over half the water consumed then enters the wastewater system, and the majority of this goes to the sea, and a very small proportion is diverted to the landscape or is recycled. Mapping water usage is an example of PEMA, or Physical Environmental Management Accounting, which focuses on capturing physical flows of material, energy and water. MEMA involves recording the monetary amounts related to these items as the next step. We need to move these hidden costs out of overhead cost accounts like insurance, scrap, waste removal and treatment. These should be highlighted as direct costs of not doing things in a sensible and sustainable way. So what are the types of areas we need to include in physical accounting? Water has been shown already, and the key to good advice is firstly to understand how much water we use and how much is wasted. Then we can reconsider our value chain, all the activities we perform in our business, to see where we can make changes and improvements. Ford reported reducing water reductions of 5% per vehicle between 2012 and 2013, and a massive 61% in global water usage between 2000 and 2013. This was more than 37 billion litres. Oil is used for energy and also as a raw material in many products. New cars with more efficient engines are ensuring that we are travelling further than before whilst using significantly less fuel. Australian Vinyls is a company that has managed to reduce its energy consumption by nearly 20% in its production of PVC products. It is also working hard at ensuring toxic chemicals that it uses, including vinyl chloride monomer, is handled safely, which improves worker safety and also helps ensure the environment and biodiversity is protected. Monitoring the amount and types of raw materials and resources we use is also critical. Coca-Cola has redesigned its containers using 25% less plastic, 30% less aluminium and 50% less glass. Effective measuring and management of waste is also crucial, not only within the business but throughout the supply chain. The more we measure and the clearer we report waste with graphics and pictures, the more likely we will create enthusiasm and momentum for change and improvement. To recap, we need to measure all physical inputs and outputs in our business and report on these clearly and effectively to help make better decisions and provide useful advice.